Hey guys, level 2 here. As I said on the chat room on YouTube, I'll probably make a couple videos for you guys. Alright, so let's start. It's now 6:49 p.m. on Sunday evening. I already did my research already, so let's go through some of the stuff that I look at first. We go through news, no, nothing major tomorrow, Monday. For the whole week, it doesn't have anything major to deal with the indices, so we don't have anything major to deal with. So we're looking at price discovery on a Monday. So I already did my research for my market and looking for where I want to buy and where I want to sell. I use stops based on deviations and take profit based on deviations. Um, Basically, I'll use a 29 tick stop with a 1-to-1 take profit as my overnights. So we have price discovery overnight. I using top sub trader demo for purposes of this. So you would see it's a $150,000 account. We don't consider it. We use different. I personally use a different type of money management and risk management system. So I using a normal stock chart. Yeah, I have a lot of backup systems that I use to do all my trade analysis on. So we had settlement on Friday at 6:28:10 in that range. We close out the market at 26:06. We open back at 26:12 or 13. Jumped up to 08, 18, sorry, and have a small shift down. What I also monitor on evenings is the Nikkei, Sydney, and the Hong Kong market for OTC trading or the Globex trading system. Right, so let's go with this. Alright, so I have identified my deviation level settlement major stock zones are in yellow. Where my alert sells, where my alert sell zone is, where my alert buy is. So we are looking for the major push, looking for either return to get into a trade to sell at between 29.37 to 28.37 to 28.42. So I'll put in a trade here at 27.40. And how I build brackets is like this using um this is TopStep Trader, the white label platform. So it's easy to demo. All you need is email for them, and they will allow you to do demo for 14 days. Alright, so you would see I build my brackets based on this. So I have my take profit, my stop loss. I want the one I'm looking for overnight if I do get engaged in the market. Don't activate, set my bracket order and go to sleep more or less. So it have different types of stops you could use. That would be in another video I might put up for you guys. Alright, so we're looking at 28.40 as a sell limit. Look at the sell one contract only based on. Alright, so 30 ticks would send me with this bracket order, sell bracket order. And take profits at 22.37, 32.5. On the buy side, I'm looking for more or less a return to this area. So I have a deviation level and two small gaps to be filled if they have downside sellers tonight. As we know, the S&P usually moves together with the Nikkei overnight, and then when London opens, then it usually has a lot more volume. Today we considering today our price discovery day. There is news out that Bill Barr said nobody would be charged from the Mueller report, so we would use that. So we were looking for a buy at 27.90 to the 90 to 88 to 90 area. So we put in a working order at buy order at buy limit order 27.90 to 88. So those are both trades. Wake up in the morning, use a look at what I'm looking at, risk to reward ratios and stuff. If we do engage, it's a hard stopper using overnight. So if we do get flow to the downside, looking for the first bounce, there's also a 27.74, 70 to 74. I'm looking at getting this one order we usually place overnight and typically get a trade on that. Right, so we see where we open with oil still hanging around with a punch at the upside and come back down. So we review that sometime tomorrow. Probably might make a next video or do something live online for you guys if go into the chat room. Okay, guys. Yeah, a lot of analysis because analysis are about 50 to 55% I work to be done. It usually take me about 35 to 45 minutes to actually do the analysis based on volume profile, and looking at where the market is and being aware where the market situation is. Also to note that there is an inversion on the yield bonds on bonds. The yield of the 3 month just crossover on Friday. 3 month to 10 year yield inverted, so be careful, there might be more sellers in the market, so you don't want to get run over on market open. In the morning I might make a next video for you guys. Hopefully I might be able to share this to the public tonight, and then jump in the chat room. So I'll send the link across in the chat room in the morning. Okay, guys, have a good evening and hope you do well tomorrow. Okay, bye.